There is a ton of video content on the internet right now, and it just seems like every brand is shouting louder than the previous one to get noticed. So how do you create video content that actually stands out? Number 1, purpose. We always design any video product with a purpose in mind. If you are creating video just for the sake of putting a bunch of random pretty images together with no purpose in mind, then it will definitely not give you the results that you want. Do you want to convert leads? Do you want to convince people of your product? Or do you want to just create brand awareness? Start with the end in mind and design your video to suit your need. Number 2 is value. Ask yourself what you are providing your client instead of just asking yourself, what do I want? Figure out why people would actually watch your content. What are you giving them? Are you giving them information that they didn't know before? Are you giving them some insights? Are you entertaining? Figure out how you can give before you take. Number 3, authenticity. Audiences are tired of conventional marketing and see straight through it. Be who you are as a brand. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to be a little bit unfiltered. It's okay to have an and an ah every now and again. Everything doesn't have to be a polished product that you put out there. People connect with people, and that means you need to show the human side of your brand. So be animated. Super stoked, super hyped, because I'm already doing that. That's stupid. We design our videos from free. Good and well, well and good. Which one goes first? Good and I are likings to be speaking English. Is it too much to bring Nietzsche into this? Probably.